So in today's video, I'm gonna give you a 2,000 mile ownership update of our 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC. So we have just recently purchased this car as our new family vehicle, as our new family hauler. And like I said, we've lived with the car for just about 2,000 miles. So I just wanted to go ahead and check in and provide you with my initial impressions of the car and what we think. And I want to keep having more and more of these videos as we progress through the car ownership. It's also worth noting this is our first Mercedes-Benz, so it's going to be interesting to see kind of what our thoughts are on the brand on this particular car, but also the brand in general, and what and whether as a result of this ownership experience, whether we're going to be looking to buy future Mercedes cars or Mercedes cars in the future. So when we bought this car, it's a 2018. It had 23,000 miles. Now it's got 25,000 miles. We took some road trips in the car, and the first impressions of the car are, so far so good. In fact, the car's been excellent. Both my wife and I, and this is my wife's car primarily, have been very happy with its purchase. This car has been everything we expected it to be. It's been it has a luxurious feel to it. It drives really well. It's a very comfortable car to be in. It's a safe car. So pretty much everything we expected this car to be, or the function that we expected it to serve, i.e. a nice family vehicle. So far so good. The car was awesome. We took it down to the beach for a road trip. Had plenty of room in the back to back all of our stuff. Much more than I actually anticipated. Ended up, the car's actually wider than it appears. So you can actually put a bunch of beach stuff in there without it, and it fits in just fine. So plenty of room for for a road trip, whatever you need to take on there. Plenty of room for our kids who are in the back seats. Plenty of really nice up front for us. So as a family vehicle, it definitely is. It's been a great purchase. Obviously haven't had any reliability issues with the car yet. I mean, we just got it and it's still fairly new. I mean, it's only 3 years old. It's only got 20-something thousand miles on it. So I mean, the warranty of this car is going to expire before we ever reach the 50,000 mile mark. But it's going to be interesting to see. Obviously, that's one of the big things that we're going to be paying attention to is are these cars reliable and how much do they cost to maintain. So we've got a lot of experience with BMW, so a pretty good idea of all the costs and maintenance that's required for BMW. So it's going to be interesting to me, and I hope to you, as to whether Mercedes is comparable, whether it's better, whether it's more expensive, and I'll be sure to report in from time to time and keep you all posted. So, but yeah, I think that's it. I mean, I think that, like I said, the car's been, we've only had it for 2,000 miles, but so far so good, and we're really happy with our purchase. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll keep you posted on how our ownership experience goes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below sharing this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks, guys.